Hello, in front of me I've got Heroes Olden Era. In this video I'll show you how to reduce fog of war. Accept classical method to reduce fog of war by going through the map. You can quickly do it in the castle by creating new building. In case of castle, it's scouting skyship. Each town has its own building to remove fog of war within 20 squares around the city. Constructed. And as you can see, fog of war has been reduced within 30 square meters. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.